Hello everyone, I'm Veronica. Welcome to my garden in Illinois, Zone 6A. Today I'm going to be planting some perennials and some bulbs. A dahlia, Nord's Glory. This is the dahlia. And let's see. It's gonna bloom from summer to fall. Okay, and this is the canna, apricot frost, you can see. And this is gonna be, it's gonna bloom summer to fall also. And then I'm gonna plant calla lily peach pearl, this one right here. And this blooms from summer to fall too. The calla lily is not hardy in my zone, so I'm gonna have to dig it up and store it in my basement to plant it next season. And the dahlia also is not hardy in my zone, so in October or late September, I'm gonna have to dig it up and store it in my basement. And the canna lily, I'm gonna see if it's gonna overwinter in my garden. So I'm gonna see if it'll come back, because I've in the past before I've had some canna lilies that do come back. And I'm gonna plant this Chasta Daisy too. The name is Luna Chasta Daisy, and this needs 6 full hours of sun, and it blooms in the summer. And this is how it looks. And I'm also gonna bloom this grass. It's Oborotsuki Sweet Flag. It's a perennial, and this needs 6 hours of sun, and let's see, it's cold hardiness to -20. Let's get to planting. And I'm going to be placing this T-post here to support for my dahlia. Okay, so I have my bulb here, my dahlia bulb, putting in a little bit of bone meal in there. And I dug the hole 4 inches in depth. No, and you're going to plant it with the roots already going on the ground, contact with the soil, and this up. I'm going to be adding some compost on the top. So my homegrown compost. So here it is. This is how it's gonna look, how it looks all planted up. And I really like the colors with the pinks and the peaches and that bright light green of the grass. Can't wait to see the cannas and the dahlia growing up. Love it. Thanks for joining me today in the garden. I hope you have a great time doing your gardening in your own spaces. See you next time.